Hi guys, my name is Manvi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make aesthetic digital notes on Google Docs, which is free of cost. I basically made this. You can see over here or here, I don't know where. So you can see somewhere over here on the screen how I made this aesthetic digital notes on Google Docs. So I'll be showing you how I made this. So just keep on watching.
First, open the Google Docs by going on these 9 dots. Open a blank document. This is the template which I made for reference. First, go to pngwing.com to get a PNG of sunflower. I'm going for this, but you can find PNG of anything on this side. There are a lot of options to choose from. Just download whichever you like and it will look like this. You can go to pinterest.com as well for PNG pics if you want to. There are plenty of options as well. On Google Docs, click on File and go to Page Setup, select A4 and you can change the page color from here as well. I'm going for beige color, but you can choose color according to your preference. Then click on Insert and go to Image Upload from Computer to get the PNG we downloaded on the document. Whenever you add an image, click on Move with Text, which is the last option here, otherwise the picture won't move freely. But for this, click on the Image option, go to Position and select Fix Position on the page. Then duplicate the image as many times you want by copy-paste method. Go to Insert again, click on New Drawing, go to Insert Image and then to Search option, search for Butterfly PNG or whatever you want from here as well. I'm adding this one. Resize it accordingly and position on the page. Go to Drawing again, click on Actions and select Word Art. Write whatever you want. I'm writing scapular region because I'm making notes on this topic. You can make it bold, italic, change the color, alignment and font as well. Google Docs shows limited fonts, but you can get more fonts like these by this way. Click on More Fonts above. You can see a lot of options here like handwriting, monospace, serif, digital, etc. Just click on the fonts you like and they'll be added to my fonts on the side and just click OK. For the scapular region, I'm choosing the font Dokdo. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right or not. Stretch it from down to make it look elongated. Change the color to your preferred color scheme. I'm going for brown to match with beige and make it bold. Click on Move with Text to move it in center. Go in the next row and click spacebar until you reach the start of the title and just click on any pattern you like on the keyboard. I'm going for the key below escape button. Then go to Insert and click on Special Characters. Here you can draw over here to get an emoji or you can just write the name on the search bar to get it. I want yellow heart emoji. Click on the emoji 2 times to get it 2 times on the document like this. Go to Insert and click on Image Upload from the computer. I'm adding this picture of muscles. You can crop the image by using this tool. Just drag the black lines to crop. Then just click on Styles and choose Heading 1. Go to Special Characters again and search for Sunflower emoji. I'm using Impact font for headings. I'm making it bold and underlined and highlighting it with sky blue color. Then just write the inside text in bullet points to remember them better. For this, I'm using spectral font, align it properly. Go to Insert and click on the table and add columns and rows as many as you want from there. I have already written them in reference 1, so I'm just copy pasting them here to make it quick. Highlight the important things you want to remember or see in the document. Align the table in center. Again, repeat the same steps as above for heading. I am undoing the bold because it looks better this way and adding the inside text. For subheadings, I'm using butterfly emoji from special character and highlighting it with green. Go to the insert and drawing option and click on search. Search for notepad PNG. You can add it here for important points. I already have one saved, so I'm using that. Again, go to search and search for bulb PNG. This looks cute. Shrink the size and place it in the corner of the notepad. Add any important text you wish to remember. Do move with text again and place it on the side or anywhere you like. Again, the inside text is like above and table 2. Another subheading and text. I want a picture of rotator cuff muscle, so I'm inserting that here in the document. Now let's see how I made this. For this, again go to drawing, click on shapes. There are a lot of shapes available, but I'm choosing this shape and filling it with green color. Adding a little question mark to this, go on search in drawing and search for question mark PNG. Place it where it looks suitable. Go to drawing again and click on lines and choose a curved connector and make a curved line. Adding one more table and aligning it in the center. Placing butterflies on every page corner. You can add a little cue the end too if you want. I have used Clicker script font. I'll mention the font names in the description box. Placing the end in the center and highlighting it with yellow. Then just realign if anything is misaligned. I love this pastel highlight color. Underline or highlight anything which seems important to you. There are a lot of options in Google Docs, like so many headings and fonts. You can check the word count of the document as well. There is an option of voice typing too. Insert is like very useful. It has so many amazing options like drawing, special characters, table, images, etc. You can share the document directly from here as well. For changing the name of the document, just click on the name and enter the name you want of the document. Then just go to File and click on Download and download as PDF or doc or any form you want. I'm downloading it as PDF and it looks like this. It looks really amazing. Personally, I love this cute little notepad. I don't know why. It turned out pretty great, and the sunflowers too, and the pastel highlight colors as I already said.
And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this, because I really enjoyed making these aesthetic digital notes. If you want some more videos like this, then please comment down below on which topic should I make the next video. If you learned something from this video or enjoyed watching this video, then give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye!